Okay, Charles LeBlanc here. I've just been on my Facebook and a lot the past months I've been talking about the justice system. A lot of people believe that the justice system is just fine, our system works. Don't be concerned. Soyez pas concernés. As long as you don't break the law, there won't be any problem. As long as tu casses pas la loi, il n'y aura pas de problème. Le problème qu'on a, je ne vais pas parler en français, I'm going to speak English and French. I'm going to start doing separate videos. There's a lot of people in the North Shore that are very, very disgusted in what happened with Michel Viano. And a judge said that, there's no need to have a trial. There's no need to have a trial of the two cops that shot Michel Viano because there's no evidence. Anyway, no trial, nobody knows what's going on. It's sickening. See, the problem in New Brunswick is people are ignoring our public safety. They're ignoring it. They're totally, like, they were taking people from Fredericton, a sheriff, put them, trespassing, people with mental illness or drug issues, drive them to Miramichi, drive them to St. John. Then they wouldn't bring them back. They would drive them till the Harbor Bridge and, hey, you get depressed, it's cold, jump off the bridge. Anyway, I got involved in it, and I guess they stopped that, especially with the natives. But anyway, sorry. It was 2 years ago today. I just look at my Facebook memories, and I appeared in court, and I want to read this. I just want to read this. This was the time when I was charged with assault against that idiotic poet, Andrew Spencer, that attacked me on the street, and I punched him once when he went for my head. And then the Fredericton police force, bunch of steroid gorillas. Stay calm, Charles, focus. They went to contact the Miramichi police. Miramichi police, Shane Henderson, did such a good job. Quit the Miramichi police, worked for the Fredericton police. I haven't blogged that for a while, but anyway, just to give you an idea, this is what was in the paper. Courts, in the paper, Irving paper. I'm not pleading guilty to assault charge, says Fredericton blogger. That was the headline. On March 2nd, 2015. Charles LeBlanc speaks with reporters outside of the Fredericton courthouse last month after his first appearance on the charge of summary assault. Summary assault. He refused to enter a plea Monday, so the judge entered a not guilty plea on his behalf. A disclosure hearing will be held in May. A blogger with a history of butting heads with the Fredericton police force. If they just learned to leave me alone, there wouldn't be any problem. Just ignore me. But no. Calm down. Focus. And the courts, and the courts refused Monday to enter a plea of an assault charge. Oh, by the way, I was found not guilty at the end. Alleging an offense against Andrew Spencer. Monday marked LeBlanc's third appearance on the charge. The defendant told the court he wasn't prepared to enter a plea because we haven't got full disclosure, LeBlanc told the court. There are so many unanswered questions, and there was a lot of unanswered questions. And I sent, after this is all over, I sent a big 12-page thing. There's some people in the justice that's sleeping with the cops and wants to get me, but they do that all around the province. See, the justice system is becoming like any workplace. They socialize, they sleep together, there's no justice. Then the people in New Brunswick are starting to wake up to it. Anyway, I just want to continue this. Prosecutor Catherine Gregory, appearing on behalf of the prosecutor, Sebastien, will handle the prosecution. That full disclosure has been made. Oh, she was some kind of snobbish. I put a complaint against her. Crown prosecutor, okay, wait a minute. LeBlanc complained that Michaud, that's the prosecutor that accepted this, didn't show up in court. Anyway, Judge Julian Dixon viewed the letter LeBlanc also demanded, now this is where it gets interesting. LeBlanc also demanded a preliminary hearing, but the judge explained he wasn't entitled to one as the charge alleged a summary offense. Dickens said the charge were if the charge were indictable, which is more serious, LeBlanc could opt for trial at a higher level of court preceded by a preliminary hearing. Okay, I'm not going to go through the whole thing. This is injustice, I said. Anyway, I just kept on going. But this is what they do here in New Brunswick. They charge you with summary. People say, oh, it's not a serious offense. It's racism against the natives, especially natives, and it's racism against the poor. Summary means, number one, New Brunswick legal aid will not give you a lawyer. You're not entitled to a lawyer because there's little chance of you going to jail. The judge can send you to jail for 6 months. But since the word summary is there, you don't have the right to a lawyer. Number two, there is no preliminary hearing to find out if there's enough evidence to proceed to court, to trial, like in Batters. Batters, that's indictable. But they had this big hearing. Then they said, one judge said, oh no, 2 cops shot. See, it's so crazy. 2 cops shot an innocent man. Yeah, there's not enough evidence. Just like in the RCMP in Moncton. Now we're getting way off. Daniel Levesque, boom, 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 shot 3-4 times by the RCMP. Oh, another cops investigate Leanne Fitch. Oh, no, the 4 bullets didn't cause the death of Daniel Levesque. He died because of a knife wound. They must think New Brunswickers are crazy. But what I'm saying here is, they're charged you with a summary. It's just to make sure you don't have a lawyer. It makes sure that there's no hearing, that they proceed to court. Once you show up in court, you're nervous. They make you plead guilty. They force you to plead guilty. They force you to sign a peace bond, and you're not even guilty. But you don't have a lawyer? Say, oh, come on, just plead guilty. Well, I'm not guilty. Oh, do you have a lawyer? No, you don't have one. No, I don't have one. Can you, a wise guy, can you represent yourself in court? Well, I don't know nothing about the justice system. Okay, what are we going to do here? So the bottom line is we need a huge inquiry on the way that our justice system are working together with the police and are murdering, yes, murdering, because a lot of innocent people are going to jail. And once they die in jail, they say, well, under the Privacy Act, we're not allowed to disclose how the person died. Is this New Brunswick or is this Syria?